Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you've joined me here today. It's absolutely stunning 5-bedroom detached home on the highly sought after Woodcote Road, just off Northumberland Road in North Leamington Spa. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the generous garden of this fabulous home where we've got 2 good-sized decked areas and a garden room which could be used as a home office, gym, games room. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this incredible home. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.